wanna go?
Sure.
You want time?
Huh?
You want time?
No, I'm just you. The ultimate EDC bag. Again, they will never. I told you I was.
Roni. It's quick. The boys are fucking Roni.
Y'all said I had to work a double?
The MTZ's gonna have to work a double. It's nice and muddy. First round, 1.47, 0.57. See if I can speed that up.
Yeah.
Bruh, 130
Mm.
to get it out of the holster.
Hit that motherfucker. Hit that motherfucker. Whoop. It's wrong house, motherfucker. No, I'm watching this.
That's what it's for.
For Jiffy Lube. Gas station ready.
Nigga.
Motherfucker. Come over here with that shit. Foul.
Still dead. I just didn't hit him in the heart. That pisses me off.
His lungs are bleeding. His lungs have holes in them.
I need to bring it down.
Slow it down. I just dissed you.
Bitch.
Nigga.
I'm just shooting a shit ton of 9mm because I never get to.
Yeah, I was about to say, might as well. Fucking shorter shooting some shit. Water.
Because I'm about to shoot and we should be in the office in 7 minutes.
I got blood on my Louis loafers.
What? It's a phone. Are you serious?
One. Still shit.
You really?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. This is nice.
That is nice. Shoots you. Just puts the barrel on you.
Move for it. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. You motherfucker.
Slapped with a mag. Okay, Second Amendment.
Hey,
Oh.
Sounds like Sonic when he dies.
Coins.
Coins. Rounds.
Yeah. Have that for that. What is it? The Twisted Tea.
Pow! Nice and muddy. That's all it is.
I was wondering what that was. I thought somebody was...
Rack a couple.
And then how do you drop this? Is it this? Is it this? This? No.
What's up?
No. How do you... Oh! I like that. I like that a lot. Talking gas station. Talking fuck you at Bass Pro Shop. First round is gonna shock the fuck out of him. He's not gonna... Motherfucker, you just got shot. But first off, because I put that bitch right in your fucking sternum. So, it's gonna hurt.